Hi, summer needs more refreshing drinks. It could be with fruits and vegetables too. Today, I'm trying to do a juice, a cooler with carrots and some ginger, which is healthy and refreshing at the same time. Welcome to SBL Kitchen. Me, Mukta Nagaraj. Let's go ahead with the carrot cooler. Now the juice of carrot and the ginger is ready. To this, I'll add in honey and some lime to make it more refreshing. Give a nice mix. Illuminated ice cubes. The refreshing carrot cooler is ready to serve.